Hello viewers, welcome again to WordPress Bangladesh. Today I will show how to disable Gutenberg editor and back to the previous classic editor in WordPress. As you know that WordPress is introduced new Gutenberg editor. So please check this. This is the new Gutenberg editor. We are already notified that some WordPress user already feel bored with Gutenberg editor instead of more new feature added in this editor. So it's okay, no problem. If you are feeling comfort with previous editor, there is still chance to back to the old classic editor. So now I am showing how to back to the previous editor. For that you have to click in your plugin from the WordPress dashboard left panel. After that click add new. Now type here classic editor. So now install this one by WordPress contributor. Okay, classic editor, click install, then click activate. Yes, classic editor is installed and activated. Now I am click in page, add new. Please see, this is the old classic editor. Now you can use like before, test classic editor. This is just for test. Okay, click published. You can set feature image from here. So you can use classic editor as you like. Thanks for the watch this video. Bye.